Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Daisy and this is the second time you'll be seeing my face in 2021, and today I would be doing something that's been trending for a while now, this or that. It's been going on for a while now and I decided to do the wedding edition, so I went online, browsed about it and decided to come with some of the questions I wrote down and put in this plastic, and I'm going to be answering them according to me, just my own choice with these things, and you can tell me your choice in the comment section below. So let's go. So the very first one is outdoor wedding or indoor wedding. I'll say indoor wedding. I love the beauty of outdoor wedding, but let me just say indoor wedding. My personal reasons. This is for personal reasons. Nothing as to do not for the kind of event I would like to plan. I would like to plan any of both of them. I love both. The advantages and disadvantages, both of them. But I would pick personally, if I was getting married or when I'm getting married, I prefer to do an indoor wedding than an outdoor wedding. Wedding cake or cupcake. When I was writing this, I was just laughing to myself like, who cupcake? Obviously wedding cake. Yeah, wedding cake, definitely. Checklist or wing it. Oh, if you know me, I'm always with a book and a biro. I even had to get like a journal or is it a diary or something to give me checklist of my day-to-day affairs for this year. And so yeah, checklist definitely. I'm very I like to like write down the things I will need. So when I'm planning a wedding, even as a planner, I always make sure that I get my checklist. I always make sure I get my checklist right. So checklist most definitely. Public proposal or private proposal. Can we get both? Can we get like a private public proposal? By private public I mean like something private, me and my person alone, or if you go to Bam after anybody, there's going to be even I think I take that back. Why I say private public is because I want it to be like strictly close friends and family. I always say that I don't even want my parents. My one is I want the moments to be captured because I love to be able to like go back on memories and whatnot and be able to see memories. So pictures, videos, yeah. So, but mine is it has to just be people who read. My parents matter to me definitely, most definitely. But I really just don't want them there, to be honest. If I'm supposed to pick one of both, that would definitely be private proposals. People who know me are probably going to be shocked when I hear this. So okay, next is candles or flowers. I prefer candles. Maybe if they are not real candles though, because of fire. I have a phobia for fire, but maybe who doesn't? But flowers, I'm not so. If you've been on this channel, if you're an OG, you know that I've always said it. I've said it a couple of times. I'm not so keen on flowers as much. So yeah, if I can ditch flowers, please, by all means, I will ditch flowers. Personally, this is Sharon. That's me, my real name, Sharon. Not Daieziey as a brand. For my clients, for my brides, for my grooms, or whoever they are. Not for my clients, but for Sharon as a person. Bridal party or no bridal party? Definitely bridal party. A host of bridal party. I have this idea of having a big bridal party. That's just me. I love to have like a big bridal party. Black tie or festive attire? I think both. Why I say both? Normally I'm supposed to pick one, but I just love the beauty of both of them. If they are well done, I love the beauty of both of them. And so I can't pick, to be honest. I really can't pick. But if we have no choice, I'll pick Tiwantiwa festive. I'll pick festive attire. Intimate wedding under 100 or big wedding more than 100? Definitely big wedding more than 100 people. Air up or air down? That should be for like most likely going to be for the white wedding. I love ponytails a lot. Like any form that ponytail wants to come, whether eye up ponytail or low ponytail. Is this a ponytail when it is low? I think it is as well. So I love to pack my hair. I also like the hair, but I don't just like a lot of hair all over my body as such, because I like to flip it. So even if I let it down, I always like to flip it. So most likely, yeah. White wedding or traditional wedding? Oh, I think I would choose traditional wedding. Let me tell you why. Why I prefer traditional wedding is, why I would choose traditional wedding, because I could do the elements of white wedding in my traditional wedding. Like, we are doing reception for the traditional wedding these days as well. Like, for my traditional wedding, I can just move into the reception and do everything together. And God is still going to bless me. Like, yeah, prefer traditional wedding. First look or surprise? To be honest, I thought about this thing like a couple of weeks back when I was watching a particular video. And every time I have to think about it, or I have to watch a video about it, or see a picture about it, I'm always confused. Like, sometimes I pick this and the other time I pick the other. So sometimes, as of right now, I think that I want to do the first look. Because I always say, I used to say that I would want like a surprise look. Like when I walk down the aisle, you're looking at me and I'm smiling. I had a friend who told me that if a groom doesn't shed tears or something like that, shows like a proper emotion on his face, she's going to go back. She watches this video so you know yourself. Yes. But really, I think for now I'll say first look. Yeah, it's beautiful to see like pictures, videos from like, oh my god. There are sometimes the guy doesn't get to express himself when they just walk down the aisle. So I prefer first look. Yeah. Rustic or romantic? I prefer romantic. DJ or band? Band, please. If I have to choose, band, because I feel like a band can sing what the DJ is going to play, but a DJ most of the time can't play what the band is going to play, man. The band beat is always different. And if you talk from a YouTuber perspective, I can upload my band dance videos. I prefer band to DJ, just really. Buffet or sit down meal? I would really love for it to be buffet, on depending on like the theme and the circumstances and whatnot. But because we're in Nigeria and I'm not even going to have, if it was an intimate wedding less than 100 people, I probably would do buffet. But because I know I'm not going to have an intimate wedding, I'm going to just stick to my sit down. People come and serve very well. White or ivory? Either. I'll say white. I think maybe it's a conservative look. I don't see a lot of white looks that I really love. So if I could if I could like be in my zen and give an incredible design for my white outfit, I would definitely. No, I'm laughing there. Money on food and drinks or money on decor and flowers? Can we just remove the flowers? Personally, can we just remove the flowers? Have the money for decor and drinks into that. Yeah, but if I was going to choose, not as though you're going to eat on my wedding or drink on my wedding, oh, it is very important. But because I love to have good pictures and whatnot, I prefer decor. Choreograph first dance or wing it? I would say choreograph first dance that looks like I winged it. But recently, yeah, I was watching certain videos from this dancer and she had choreographed certain couple. I was like, it would really be nice to have like a choreographed first dance. But I also want the winging one as well that comes with just enjoying the moment. So I think if I could do both, I would do it. But if I'm supposed to just pick one, I'll most likely go, depending on who I'm getting married to be honest. Because, baby boy, if you don't know how to dance, you might want to learn. Yeah. I give my bride steps. If you ask anybody that you know that I planned their wedding, I give them steps. Like, I don't know, I don't think I'm such a great dancer, but I think that I have like, I probably should do a video on that. I don't think I've seen it anywhere, but it's like a routine thing that I do for my brides when they are getting married. That just gives them, it's like a crash course into wedding dance when you're a bride, when you're dancing to your all. I just have this crash course thing. So I think at least I can do something. Sometimes you don't want to even see some of my dance videos. It's so terrible. But probably I should do this crash course. Like, it's just a few steps that I do for some of my brides that, not because they don't know how to dance per se, but because they don't think they can pull it off. And I just do certain things. There's certain things you just do. If you want to see that video, please, let me know. Yes, let me know. And let us, come on, do it. So yeah. Next question is destination wedding or home-based wedding? Destination wedding have been really lovely, but I will go with home-based wedding. Yeah, home-based wedding. Yeah. I don't know. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's so funny that I don't know this. I can give it to anybody, hands down, but I find it hard to pick because of the kind of, like I said, kind of family I come from, or my personality. So if I could do a destination wedding, I possibly would. Home-based wedding. Let's stick to our fatherland. Yeah. Wedding planner or DIY bride, both of them. Now, this is not me being diplomatic at all. I hate saying people who know me because I feel like you guys know me, but people who actually like my very close friends know that I'm a DIY person. I like to do it myself. But because I'm an event planner, and apart from that, as a human being, I just know that having an event planner is important. And because I'm an event planner, I'm most definitely going to plan my wedding. It's my team, so I'm going to have that wedding planned, but I'm still going to do a lot of DIY here and there, like as much as I can. Yeah, where I can and as much as I can if I have the time. So yeah, both. But more planned than DIY. Yeah, more planned than DIY. Because the DIY might not be me doing the DIY, maybe somebody else doing the DIY. So yeah, more planned than DIY. So ball gown or mermaid. Personally, I think I would say ball gown. I'm not 100% saying that's what's going to be, but I'm almost sure that I want to have my first dance in a ball dress because I've always wanted to look like Cinderella while having my first dance. It's like a dream thing. Whenever you watch like all these movies, all these Cinderella movies, blah 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 blah. Yeah, it's just like a dream thing. Like one of the things I just think about. Yeah, so Cinderella, garden wedding, or beach wedding. Garden wedding or beach wedding. Beach wedding would be really nice. Do you know why? Because of the breeze. And then I think I have this thing with not wearing shoes, so that's probably what will make me cringe. But one of the things that probably won't make me do a beach wedding is because I have people around me who have phobia for water. So, and I would like for them to be comfortable at my wedding. So I think I'll just go for garden, even though I don't like flowers as much. But yeah, garden wedding. And the thing about garden wedding that I want to think about beach wedding about it is that the outfit for beach wedding most of the time is always different. Like, it's beautiful. Oh, so unusual, but yeah. Veil or no veil? Definitely veil. Definitely veil. There are very limited things there are very limited things you would ever do that you would use a veil for. So why not? If not, I don't think there's any other thing from a wedding that you would use a veil for. So veil, please. As a Yoruba girl, we use veil again for traditional wedding. Can you beat that? Midday or evening reception? If I was going to have an intimate wedding, an evening reception would have been perfect. I love evening reception. I think I'm a nightlife person. Like inside of me, deep down somewhere. Midday wedding, then I'll have like maybe an after party or something. Yeah. It's an in-between thing. So that is all for this and that, the wedding edition. And that was so interesting to do. If you have any video content for me to do, please put it in the comment section. I actually did in the first video I ever posted for the year. And I'm doing it again. So thank you guys for watching. And follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. My name there is Daieziey. Daieziey. Live, love, and laugh.